Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these peppermint coasters. They're great for the holidays, and I made them with medium worsted yarn and a G hook, and the pattern is listed down below. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, you're going to slip knot onto your hook and chain 4. Slip stitch in that first chain to create a ring, and then you're going to chain 6 or chain 5, and then double crochet in the center of the ring, and then chain 2 and repeat 4 more times for a total of 6 altogether, and then chain 2 and double crochet again in the ring, slip stitch into the chain 3, chain 1 and single crochet in that same stitch, single crochet 3 times in that chain 2 space, and then single crochet in the double crochet, and then just repeat 3 single crochet in the chain 2 space and repeat that around. Slip stitch in the beginning single crochet, chain 6 all together, yarn over twice and work a treble crochet, skip a stitch, and then work a treble crochet into the next, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops to complete the treble crochet, chain 4, yarn over twice, work a treble crochet, skip the stitch and work a treble crochet, and repeat that all the way around. treble crochet in that last stitch. And then work your chains, 4 chains, and then slip stitch on the chain 4, and then this round is complete. You can chain 1, pull through and fasten off, and then start the next row, and you can slip knot on with your red yarn anywhere on in one of the chain 4 spaces. Slip stitch in the space between those 2 treble crochets with your new color and pull it through, and then chain 8. Okay, now you're going to chain 8, you're going to go around, so you're going to take your hook out and then wrap it around and go through the back, grab that loop, and then you're going to start your stitches. So you're going to yarn over twice, which is a treble crochet, and then insert your hook in that stitch in between the previous treble crochets, yarn over, pull through, then go behind so you have access to the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and go through the back, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're just going to repeat that for every stitch from now on until you get back to the beginning. So you're going to take the chain 4 and you're going to pull it through from behind, and you can drop that loop and then grab the yarn underneath and place your hook inside the loop, yarn over twice, and then just repeat. So you're going to insert your hook in between this one stitch that you skipped, and then insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, go back from behind so you're not going over those white stitches, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops twice, so the last time, and then you're going to go over that white stitch there and you're going to chain your 4, and then you'll just repeat that again until you get to the beginning. Okay, so now you're at the end there and you're going to do your chain 4 and then go underneath and pull through with a loop there to finish, and then go into the chain 4 and slip stitch. Now you can pull through, cut your yarn, and weave in all your ends. Okay, so this is what this coaster looks like. It's all finished and complete. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already.